Today we're going to learn about the tree pose or Vrksansana, which is the first balancing posture that we learn in Ashtanga yoga. And you can practice this anytime and find yourself not only bringing balance to your body but also to your mind. As you bring focus to a certain point in front of you, you'll see that you're going to improve your concentration and mental stability as well. To begin, ground yourself, tuck your tailbone in, bring your palms to heart center, find your drishti, which can be any point in front of you which is not moving. And then slowly shift your weight onto your left leg first and bring your right leg up. Place your right leg onto your left thigh. Make sure that your knees are not here, but more open. Try to get your knees to be open. Push back with the left leg and breathe. Once you find your balance, take your arms up and breathe. Vrksansana on the left side. Put your weight onto your right leg, bring your left leg up, place it on your right thigh, push back with your right thigh, turn your knee upwards, and focus. Once you find your balance, take your palms up, and breathe. Now this was the basic tree posture. If you want to take this up a notch, you can go to the full tree posture, which is something that I'll show you from the side. Find your center, bring your right leg up, half lotus, grab your big toe with your right hand, find your focus, and then begin to bend.